Last day of the trip and I'm back at Cosmo because I wanted to play airplane. Also, Boots is staying here and we're having dinner here tonight. And I'm going to change the denomination to dimes. I played this the other day and I sucked. Finally picked the right one and then couldn't pick during the bonus. This game's probably not long for this world. You can't even read what's down there anymore. Oh no, first spin bonus. First spin bonus, but if I don't pick the right one, it's gonna be terrible. I wanna pick on the right, so I probably should pick on the left. Also, I meant to bet $6, but it couldn't read the thing, so it's 3, but that's good. Come on, first spin bonus with a airplane. I really wanna go to the right. Darn it. Yes, thank goodness I didn't go where I wanted to go. I love a first spin bonus. Thank you, airplane. Now don't pick collect first, because that's what I did the other day. Ooh, I got a ticket to first class. Keep flying. Don't pick another collect. Shoot. Ah, darn it. Well, I did get a first class ticket. Maybe something will happen here. I need a good multiplier. Ah, 2 times. But first spin bonus, $171.50, no complaints. First spin bonus. Of course these buttons don't work. Well, what happens if I change denomination? Do a few on quarters. Maybe auto will show up. 4 autos. Maybe I should go to pennies. Random guy that gives bonuses come out. I think we'll go to pennies. Let's see, what was max bet on pennies? We're gonna find out. I think it's 3. Yeah, it's 3. Where are you, Otto? There you are. I need a screen full of autos. But I don't have to pick. Let's get a second bonus. Come on, come on. I'm going to cash out a winner. Yes, I am. Won $100. Happy about it. First spin bonus. So nice to revisit an old favorite. Good luck and have fun, everybody. Chickens called to me at Bellagio. Probably to take all my money. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm going to do the $3.75 bet, but I may take it down. These chickens can be mean. If I take you to the 225 end. Okay, let's go back to 375. Ooh, I'm glad I went back to 375. If we get a jackpot, they're hard to get though. I usually don't get any. We'll hope for the best. One spin left. I better get something down here. Thank you. Okay, I could get a minor. I need one more for the minor for 100. Come on, minor. I need 3 for the grand, and I need something down here. Okay, I need 2 for the grand. Uh-oh. Why are you so excited? I got a minor. Is that why my chicken was excited? It knew it was coming? Thank you. Oh yeah, I'll get the grand now, okay? Come on, chicken, be excited for me. Grand. Now where's the grand? Oh, look at this. That is one excited chicken. Why are you so excited? Because of the grand? Well, unfortunately, it wasn't the grand that landed. I need one more down here. That's it. That's all they wrote. Okay, thank you. Nice bonus. What should I do? What happens if I change my denomination to 2 cents? Not much. $0.05. Oh, let's do a 375 Adam, 5-cent denomination. It doesn't really change anything up there. I just felt like it. It took a while to get our next bonus, so let's go ahead and jump to it. These eggs are getting too expensive. Oh, wow, look at that. That's a lot of shaking going on. Oh, we did get the green and purple together. Thank you. Instant win and multiply. need a lot of instant wins, please. Come on, instant wins. Well, what a shame there's nothing there to multiply. Oh, my instant wins are not showing up. Thank you. Whew. Why are you getting so excited up there? I'll be more excited when you give me instant wins. Oh, that was a good one. What happened to 8s here? Come on, give me an egg. Finally. Ooh, I would love an instant win over here. Come on. Nice. Those chickens are really hopping up there. You know where I want those instant wins. Come on. Great bonus. We have a big win bonus. Thank you, chickens. Well, we gotta take another spin or two. And that's it. Time to cash out. We had all the chickens. It was fun. Good luck. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos, click on one of these links.